Hello everyone, my name is Song William and today I'm back with a third Python project, and today the project we're going to be doing for HSC is an alarm clock. So with this alarm clock, one of the modules that we'll be using is the DateTime module. And basically what this module is it's used for manipulating dates and time, and it has methods like now, which gets the current local time. So with this alarm clock project, we'll be doing two things today. We'll be setting the alarm time, so when we want the alarm to ring, and setting the message for when the alarm does ring. So let's go ahead and set the alarm time for when the alarm should ring. So we'll set the alarm time input, and we can do this simply by just setting an alarm time as our input. So we'll put some text just so that we know what is happening. So this will be set at the hour, which is the HH, and then the minutes, which is MM, and then we want new line for new alarms. And then we need to set the hour and the minute. If you'd like to be more specific, you can put seconds as well, but for the sake of simplicity, we're just going to be going by minutes. And we go from 0 to 2 because it goes 0, 2, and 2 is exclusive. And since it starts from 0, 0, 1, and 2 is exclusive. And we can do this for the minutes as well. So alarm minute is equal to alarm time 3 to 5. And then we can let us know that we are setting up the alarm. So we'll print setting up alarm. And if you want to make sure that the code we're getting is correct, then you can always print out alarm time, alarm hour, and alarm minute if you'd like. And now for the second part, which is actually checking the current time with the alarm time to see whether the alarm should ring or not, we're going to use a while loop. And here we're going to use the now function from the now method from DateTime, and this just gets the current time, and we'll use this to compare to the time in our alarm and the current time right now. So we'll set another variable called current hour, and we use something in now which is this, and then we can use this to compare the time. So we'll be using something like this, and then we can repeat the same process for minutes. And again, if you'd like to do seconds, you can do seconds, but we won't be doing seconds today. And also, if you'd like to make sure that we're printing the correct thing, then you can current hour and current minutes to make sure that everything is working properly. And then finally, we'll compare the two. So we'll compare alarm hour to current hour, and remember, since we're actually comparing the values, we want to use two equal signs and not just one, because one equal sign is assigning something to something. And we'll do the same with alarm minute and current minute. And we need to check both, because if we don't check both, then we don't know that both are the same. And if they're the same, then we'll print alarm is ringing and then break once we're done. Later on, we can make this more complex by creating a visual. So we'll actually be able to create a nicer looking interface for us to put in the alarm and get the alarm ringing. And if we use a different module, which we'll have to install, called play sound, then we can also play a sound when the alarm rings to make it even more realistic. But this is the simple code, and we can just expand upon this however much you want. So that's the third Python project. Feel free to experiment and play around. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.